obroni ba kutimi efa $20. Washe will be eating or say, can you follow me? Or can you come with me? Na ubiri dinechi. Na the spectacle chani panere. Na wako urani hotel room. Are we that cheap? And don't be quick to criticize those women because there are more cheaper women and men in church. More cheaper. Ubibe timia culture obi say, my mama will lift after this service or nene bit timia kodane.
Right, me wakwaba edoba adipa TV edino enwa ene Miss Cover Girl. Se ofre me Cover Girl la mejo so. Na wonim say yeah that's sorry yeah tia asafo for dia na che say na Ghana ye wono. Se weekend no Russian guy no eba be pie mu o Ghana ha say. Na ni videos ana e twegu enna ne se ware Ghana for ma bebre. Mesrew mame club bi wa ha say. Enya Ghana for ma pe no worry omo. Worry ya Korea South Africans. Worry ya ko Kenya. Worry ya ko ye can say Nigeria. Enti videos na wa compile na o twegu na no wajimu scan. Pacho. Enya Ghana for nko a. Na mena manam kokopia baba wa video bi so we don't criticize us and we will criticize you. That's the video and me dey ba somewhere for Russian guy no. Na ade ba kwa ya Russian guy no ensem became so bebe pie mu no. And as much as the video was edited no me concern enya ho. The enya me say emma no the real no omo hu si etel mo ene omo pese omo dwi omo ho and omo pese it say obehia broni and I'm like yo not broni bia na ye broni o enti wa wona ma wote Russia na enti I'm from Russia enti we man show hey as on na ma go sha broni ada broni no free Ukraine we asambe I was a brony of here, of the Qatar, Kuwait. Oh, a brony free of South Africa. Maybe much all. Some rough and young rough, when rough contobre, nam coachable. I'm sure there be a money be who sits home one. Me dream one, Baba video, Amaka copiation, and say, Madam, speak for yourself. I say, Ghana for a man, don't want a cheap, Madam, speak for yourself. Wona ya rewo wona wo de wabra boto atopre na me see edru ye ka de say ebo enyabo 5 wo kwa me make course I make sure so bia nyama ya set up me what time am de kokko jimi sika me what time am me expect alert tienie me wo ma me check me products say snap do ahe na ekọ one na ababeji we one na ababeji products we na there be o me na ma na ka share hello what the bro for hello, how are you? You kind say, how old are you? What is your name? No, come with me. I want to see you tonight. Abba. At first, I thought that the guy was using scopolamine. There's a substance called scopolamine. And for edible robbery, say you be who so you never throw drink, you be inject biano. Ebe free like ebe slow with motion. Sergeant so be who go so a obetima walking crampo to bank am akwa rejo usike nyina de amano enti na at some point I felt say bia that substance called scopolamine no and a guy no use and then again me who a Kimberly lady bia no so na down for New York or something our approaching and the lady rejected and I saw me in the lady she was nice and at the same time stylishly rude okay opposite lady ni say okay so person who need tonight no okay say tonight because when you sika we free ebusia well to do yet to say the discipline here high kurobu has say where bema etimi ka say me rent diamond no die oba bema etimi ka say o build this one frame no die oba anyway didi ye no die oba abra miti hey metimi order aduane a me pe na medi enti why would say bema asesa wudi aduane edi benyame de hwebe for what reason it doesn't add up so me penya ma bema so oni minya bibia it should be on a mutual ground It shouldn't be something will be one on the entice me to say the movie on my who the color no. Ah, who entice him. A man a mama quite more remunina a color than Nebibia. Cause you see a man as low as 20 pounds. Right. Yes, here you. Yes, here. It's madam. Ah, oh yeah, you low kimpacho. You move you a man, and I say a man be a man. They can say some past relationship was bad, but it wasn't bad as in say. Or your call for BB 1 night stand, and I say it was she be no more Korean 1 night stand. So or in 1 night stand now. It was based on say, you know, or more out on a serious relationship. Not because they were share brony and a brony in the whole tunnel. And I'm crying on it. I be more was sharing in Nana, more crying on him. We be more than a tamu because there was a wish with destiny helper. Snap call ye. Now me say they didn't send me. And me comment section one. Ebu me say yakwa club. Yes, me call Korean. Me see, hey, me call club my Korean. Shabema 1 2 no akwa club no akore eh boya adio me that I always preach don't give small money chance and since I don't give small money chance no what makes you think say na we share broni me broni sa u broni no me share wo no sa u 20 pounds no me expect so we this size ka de ba be se me nsem enti the empa embash way I'm about that no I feel comfortable but your madam speak for yourself. Okay, and then me no, don't criticize us, and then we will criticize you. And man, be kasa kwase mema no jeye. Se Ghana for my cheap. Ebi mu se mema no susu dia equally cheap. And se mama me for tagi ni na. Na lady bi akasa yen ko go say kasa ni bi versus ya.
Russia ni video ya expose ya waye ya liki me ya ja. O share one no kasa ya o se follow me no do akura an apartment na ni BCC. Comment section mail. Just like that. Oh, just like that. Eso sanati wuzi. Sanati sana metie. Ya odakifue kure odakifue. Omu hia tita omu titare so a omu ye ya na edumachi. Obu okra wo yetimi kopa kwa na be ma no flex bi obe ye ho na onu be kasa ya kpa. Na ye sanu dese. Na ni ebesiesi. Na me past relationship am ko my last day for 6 years. Me boy me share nya face day na no me kwade dai. Eh de twempra kiki aso de omu na be pipi mum de na boy. Azame na wuke sa na etie ba je say de ende camera me toye so. Ame ye hu say ege ye twe ya na ye twe na fam. Ne ma ne ye ya ye se broni di camera to so. Aja owie ya oje egu abonten obi emu bi na ma de na ye sad. Na ma na ye shameful ye sad. Na kanya sad ya. Ashai wuzi. Awo sama zamana eta ame zamana mata. Si ye twi ye fam wani. Si ye twi ye fam wani efiakọ. Si ye de wu kwa ni ne se de meso be ko. Je se camera na enche yen. Na wani na efiakọ.
Na we na okasa wia na Kofi Oduro osofo Kofi Oduro mu ya no mo. Kai. Ghana for my cheap ni podi anya abontini o. Cheap na egu nsori dem. Am say papa. Well, I don't know who didn't come. What's a cheap na papa mama send the word of caution my why. Gaba akuka sabiti o se the sofo catch ni so be wari broni nti o share sa broni pete na ni se o share ni broni no. Enti eya mo so mo bompa ya mo psyche man no. Mo ja sa mo sha nkom ni dutu o muti no nama. Catch ni se the fact so be wari broni ni mba ya. Wo share bibini a onfa. No one nam ho hunting for broni. Why? It's Kofi Oduro susu buefu pa. Na yengo se bi versus ya.
To the point that we have become so lazy that one Russian gentleman can outwit young, beautiful ladies, including people's wives. God, under God, under God, under God. Why are we not marching on? The altar is broken. The altar is, until the altar is repaired, forget about your nonsense. Forget about it. Obroni baako timi efa $20. Washe will be eating him or say, can you follow me? Or can you come with me? na obiri dinechi na the spectacle twa nipa nere na wako wura ni hotel room. Are we that cheap? And don't be quick to criticize those women because there are more cheaper women and men in church. I'm telling you. More cheaper. Ubibe timia culture obi say, my mama will lift after this service or nene bit timia kodane. It will shock you. This is how broken our walls are. I'm telling you, this is how broken. Most of it's noise. Noise.
Now when I feel Oduro Kasaria na Samsonwaa Mata and another lady being almost no. We are not in support of this. Now Maya Jim Komoaka said no. Adia moye no. Let's call a spade a spade. Manyadi. Self-respect here. So the Musi J Jamo. Video whether it was edited or unedited. Unjai manyadi. A man be honoma. We are quite for do. Minimum bebree me washa. Their mentality ni na say ye peskedi. But as to say, obeboa bema na bema do baby Debbie. Debbie any ni dish no. Debbie. Emma bebree. Our vision mission is to meet a rich guy. But as to project the poor guy, as to project the average guy, as to support or help or push the average guy to get there, they are not ready. It's a bedi moda. They been said yepa. You very moda. The name mususu ye can. A man mususu musiyamba. Na so mu buamo. Na mu ju baby a. So ba akro or your wife material. Your ware no. Yenjani si baby. Entina kuma. Ema na kuma nyene ya. Yamba nye kwasha bra ma tani mai. So say
hey, now modem who cry me one more Ghana for Emma. I dare me person say money because everybody can be a victim, every woman. And you won't have my victim, me come. Any bre baby a Ghana ni ba New York person will do honomo. And to kwasi penny biana no dino. Kwasi penny because one from the one where you empowered ma no. Africa from the one who the any awo edie awale and okra Ghana okra mu nsem mu awale no akwa koye ade bia na se me dem sese me kwa mabema bia ma na abewale me and Ghana for so monje ordinance marriage ntum enti akwala no sa na obe wo motutu ade a omo ye enye tutu ni a wonya sa ade no me ga no kra kiro and so ko he video na hwe akwala no kwate kakraka bi na behwe Ghana fo ma akwate akwa mu nim fie behwe domo ye obi kwa se de won fe na gaban ebejai ne yama na okwa kodi Russia ni we yechi Jesus Christ of Sabozungu aban ejai ne Ghana fo problems echi se ema ba ko 31 akonya kwate kase bi di efefe ho jeje ho ye nkonkwache guy ne mfa na umumra na Sam George say ye chira Ghana for ma a obugu website bi so a wo mo ankasa finger do mo say wo mo Ghana for mo nya hwe o na mo ka se December na abrofo no ba no be dey on be the boys ni true me kan kra chira wo no mo sa demand true me do mo twa kan me say and as I'm George employ me na me be bi chira me come and employ me na me chow the Ghana for the one mo see say mo ho some pages see Ghana for mo kwa kwache obi a ono Sam George, if you see the videos how a man is me na kwate no kra nka mo ho musu ave me see Ghana for e ma wale fro no binum no omo say single ladies ye di wo mo say loto bingo ade no ba nya ma wale for be 12 na ewum e ma wale for be 12 na ewum amati se ba kokra no bra divorce no na se na memfa video ni sende wo yere kwatia no wodi divorce no Ghana benya saada age eja ye koma ye de yi eja enya saada age no akwachi Russia na Russia for no mo de be ma wodi America create me Russia anko na mu disable ekware de ho a etwa ne kwatie ho nti krofo ye atomic wine raining tanks in asefo no mo de etwe no kwete ho na mokoko
and a Russia guy no or hypnotizing girls no and a Russia guys no obi hypnotize obi and obi you see half of Ghanaian ladies are lazy, they are desperate and cheap. I'm telling you this on a fact. They are cheap, lazy, desperate, and the married women, half of them are disrespectful. They don't respect their husbands in the house. Yes, Ghanaian ladies at my age, 25, 23 years, they will bath, they will wear nice clothes, they will put on perfume, and then they will go and look for fancy places to sit just to wait for rich men to come and pick them, to go and take care of them. And you get stupid influencers instead of them printing flyers no to go out there no, you get stupid influencers to come and tell them that they're the resellers and George sellers. Then on why they bomb they'll come and advise them places to find rich men, places to do this. If you go there, buy one drink, cross your leg and do this instead of advising them to work hard. See, this is my flyer. I sell food in a large quantity. Okay, so offices, corporate institutions, your house, I can do soup. If you taste my soup, you'll not eat in your house again. This is my flyer. I sell kukunte with soup. I sell fruit juice. The fruit juice, I do it in gallons and all that. After that, from a side pump furniture, I sell everything. I sell clothes. I go to China to go and buy clothes, come and sell. I go to Mokola. Sometimes I just go to Mokola to source WC, to source this to my customers. You see, so I sell everything. Some money making is not something on the floor. So you will not just wake up one day and make money. I have my own business card. I have my business flyer. I have registered my business. Follow people that will affect you positively. In follow influencers where I'm spend a day with me to spend $20 billion. So you too, you'll be walking around East Legon, sprinters to find rich people. See, now more married women now, you don't respect your husbands in the house now. Small boys, they will video you. I'm going to look for somebody to pay the person. Go and share HIV to all of you. Yeah, can happen to everybody. It cannot happen to everybody. I went to China more than one behind Accra Mall last month. I met one Bruni. He approached me. We started talking, and then the way I was talking, he realized I'm a business person. And then he said, "I sell Chanel bags. I sell this. I sell this." I thought, okay, this is my card. So take my card. I didn't take his number. I gave him my card, and I told him to call me. When I go home, I realized he tested me, and then he was like, "Can we meet at Kempesky?" No, I said, "Here, Brahma, Breno, Sadano. Makoto WC Bear 20. And they are sending Ashanti region. I said, "Koto Tomioma de Kwasa, Mike said, "Diko see you be the man. Maybe messing got na Kempesky." And I said, "Bro, you said you sell something. Send pictures of the items so that I will choose." And then he said, "I'll be going home back now. I'll be going back home soon. So when I'm going, what do you want? I want Kabeka Sopa iPhone 17. I told him I don't need anything. So he can buy anything from his site. He said I should choose now. I said, bro, I don't have your time. And I'll be seeing them in chat. So don't say, it can happen to everybody. Wish you be then in the chat when you can't say
So some of you have been leaving comments under my post saying things like, don't judge, it can happen to anybody, yada yada yada. Yes, it could happen to anybody, but I'm still judging you. I'm not judging you because you decided to go have sex with somebody. Let's take morality aside. I'm judging you because you lack situational awareness. I'm judging you because you lack concern for your safety. You meet a foreign man, you have no idea who he is, you don't know if he's a serial killer, or rapist, or organ harvester, human trafficker, and then you go meet him in a very private setting. How am I not supposed to judge you? We hear stories every day of ladies whose lives are being ended, they are being dumped in water bodies, people who their bodies are being pieces and stuff like that. And we've been saying women are vulnerable. Let's end violence against women, and then you go do things like this. How are we supposed to protect you? Do you know the protocols it takes for justice or for someone to be arrested when they are in another country? You have no idea. This man is no longer in Ghana, which means anything he did to you, he's not here for anyone to save you or serve justice. And then you go ahead and do something like this. The worst thing that could have happened is he could have killed you, he could have harvested your organs, sex trafficked you, but he did sex traffic you because he has videos, and those videos, he's making money from those videos, and you're making nothing from those videos. You need to protect yourself. Even if you meet somebody and you even like the person, there are steps to take. You should even have to do proper testing before you even have sex with a person, because there are so many sexually transmitted diseases out there. HIV is everywhere. So you all need to be very careful. It's not about morality, it's about safety. It's about your safety. Some of you, your mothers are praying for you every day, and look at what you're doing.
Ghana girls baby nice. And Ghana has say ukitaka ubenya trade free. The baby video can say Ghana has say boys say kitaka need trade free. Girls no no ye the cast the room the beja comment section there. Me this will be cheap and now we cheap on me this will be cheap to say me ana. And when I me Martin is kato card no. Oh, Abuba ya from beside people that over Ghana me Martin kato card no mum na me cheap. Me mum de carry me. Me am de carry mum de carry me. Nti na me make asa nti me so obi atese no. Na say mo ya for crash en car no. That the car the mama mo price. Say mo guys be na mo ya for sen car. Na say mo ye skin tone cry na mo da. Broni. Sanso ye broni nti no. Wa ko obi mama broni sada na mo be kura mo ndwale. Mo ndwale sa watare na odi sha na sa tale na sa ko shia broni ni sa. You me no. Lagos apartment ni di mo honom. Hey! My Jimmy said $20. If you cry this car, cause we're brony. Yammy come what? Somewhere for some, say your bell now car. Me say a trade will be a trade phone. They be a civic boys require their money, a trap phone, because even though say, you can't say, a you wedding, Benz, wedding, say civic, if you are 300, Bob wedding, I say civic. But civic boys in there, I'm with the channel, 300, Bob it's not I say civic, but boys no, civic boys need to try to cross them over, expensive cars, no. Yeah, you made a miniature. That's Brony, that's a problem, or what apartment in Tino. Russia, Brony, skin to Russia cry a crew cry, wish Shabema, Russia when you had John. Ah, you decide him free. Social media and I will never settle for less. Me say no, they will never settle for less. And start talking stages now. Monumukoni now. When this can see that you know start talking stages now. When this can see, simple as that. Oh, we will be worst cause. And let me know where. Come on, that you know you start talking stage. You know, mama, girls we remember fanfully more packaging. So no more share packaging. I'm fine girls now. Most of my equity, Mukadam, she's no be a Mujama Muki guys name. Munjama, Charlie, Mukuyo, fine girl. Once I own this kind of quad over here. Fine girl, just always coming to us not to find girl. We had a bit of money, but more admit to some way. What I say, Mukas baby, and I'm more admit to say, well, you're creating content about Sana Mama Bemo, and I'm with the youngest Montesa, and it will be too fast, and I'm in no wonder. That's the animal that they pay free, falla, fully. Now, we're trying to bomb, look out, I'm trying to bomb. We are already stepping and baby laugh me bedroom. Now, one of Brony ways a quarter bottle. When I got a bottle, I better now try more. Anyway, I'm trying to move up to chest of boys and so crank. Move on one.
Sir, Hannah, the best you. I've been now. We're a Ghana for reaction. Don't judge us, and we will charge you. And on a see, you know. Timmy, I mean, so, me see video now, me share no. Adia me dey radia si woman say me hu me nua bi wo, and the calls are about me so on Saturday. As a matter of fact, kasana na ekoso ni na ne say we are proud of you. Ye jiwudi cause wo je ye nim say sune enya dia video ebe pie wo na Ghana for man me say broche for man say the way Ghana for man bi so ye desperate wo mo efa kwan bi so eje job homa emmema rewiobo no eya na areho ebusua aha na me de besi o enti wo a wa ready say obe judge no wo judge na waji wani cause mu bebere wo ho no ma mu cheap na atra trade why aha ana me de nkomo twetwe no ebesi wakra
Abusafa amaka obajiki travel hotel Sabuji Germany. Global flight from Ghana, China, Dubai, and explore the world with us. Run and fly to Ghana. You better train from Bibia Germany. I brought how that TTB. Now they offer a plane. You go to international airport. You go to go airport to your destination. And one person who holidays. So if you are going to project to Munya, maybe I'm meeting some project 2 years. You go to Mamma Divine Space. You go to GQ Luxury Hills Hotel. I will equip Maha. We make travel also stress-free. Travel management, expert in traveling. GQ Travel Hotels. Call us +49 17996 4242 +49 1521 485 2424. Check us on our website gqtravel-hotels.com. GQ, stay connected.